Look at this guy. Oh, come on, buddy. Should probably take that leash off. It's holding him back. Yeah, we got some drifts going, and Louis seems not bothered at all about it. Well, maybe a little slowed down, that's for sure. I'm up to my knees right now. Whoa! I don't know if you can see. Oh. And Louis still manages to pee. What a dick. Oh my god, up to my thighs in snow. Can you guys see this ridiculousness? Yeah. You can see how this slowed people down back in the day. Birds are chirping though. Oh, it's getting a little easier. A little thinner. You can see just how it drifts up and everything. Fantastic.